Mastering culinary terms. Understanding, boil gently. Hello, language enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to explore a common culinary phrase, boil gently. This is a term you'll often encounter in cooking recipes. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it correctly in both cooking and language. Boil gently, also known as simmering, refers to a cooking technique. When a recipe instructs you to boil something gently, it means to heat the liquid until it's hot enough to bubble, but not so hot that these bubbles are vigorous or rapid. It's a moderate, steady level of heat, less intense than a rolling boil. This method is often used for dishes that need slow cooking, like soups, stews, or sauces, to blend flavors without overcooking or burning. Understanding boil gently becomes easier with a visual explanation. Imagine a pot of water on the stove. As the water heats up, you'll first see small bubbles forming at the bottom. As the heat increases, these bubbles start to rise to the surface. In a gentle boil, these bubbles are consistent but not aggressive. The water's surface is softly rippling, not violently churning. This is the sweet spot for simmering. Why is this important in cooking? Boiled gently allows the flavors to meld and develop without the risk of overcooking or evaporating too much liquid. It's a controlled, gentle process that's essential for certain recipes. For English learners, understanding such specific cooking terms can also enrich your vocabulary and comprehension when reading recipes or watching cooking shows. And that's a wrap on Boil Gently. I hope this video has illuminated this culinary term for you and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, cooking is not just about following recipes, it's also about understanding these key terms. Happy cooking and language learning!